AI agents aren't just getting smarter, they're getting dangerous. Last time I showed you how Hermes broke into a live server and grabbed full remote control. But there's one thing holding most people back: price. So in this field note, I'm giving you the Naga Codex method to run top-tier AI models for free and plug them into your favorite tools. Plus, I'll show you how to run Hermes locally so you can operate all day without spending a cent. When I say free AI models, I don't mean free chatbots or the usual open router free tier. I'm talking about the actual engines behind today's top agentic apps, the ones you see trending on openrouter.ai/apps. Models like Minimax M3, StepFun 3.7, GLM 5.2, and Nvidia's Neotron Ultra. Run these through OpenRouter, you're paying. Some of them are among the most expensive on the platform. But what if you could access the same models without touching your wallet? Here's the move. Head to build.nvidia.com/models. You'll see a massive catalog, but we only want the free endpoints. Toggle on free endpoints, hit apply, and boom, models like GLM 5.2 and Minimax M3 show up as completely free. You can play with them in the playground, but that's not why we're here. We want API access so we can plug them into our agentic frameworks. Sign up, verify your email and phone, then generate an API key. That one key, it unlocks every free model on NVIDIA's platform. No credit card, no surprises. Now let's get Hermes running locally, the ultimate zero-cost stack. Grab the one-liner installer from the Hermes site, paste it into your terminal. I'm on Kali, but they've got commands for every OS. While it installs, a quick favor, if this is useful, drop a like, share it with your circle, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Once installed, run the setup wizard. I'll go with blank slate to keep it lean. First step, pick your intelligence provider. Select NVIDIA NIM, paste in that API key, accept the default base URL. You'll see all available free models. Let's pick Neotron Ultra, one of the top performers for Hermes right now. Run Hermes, ask it, which model are you using? And it'll confirm NVIDIA Neotron 3 Ultra at zero cost. Local is free, but it's not always practical. Your machine needs to stay on 24/7. And security, not ideal for exposed agents. So here's the pro move. Deploy Hermes on the cloud. You still use the same free NVIDIA models, so you're only paying for the server, not the AI. I'm using Hostinger for this, flat pricing, no surprise usage fees. Grab their 2 CPU, 8 GB plan, apply coupon code SECURITY for an extra 10% off, and select Hermes from their one-click app library. Once deployed, open the terminal, run Hermes model, select NVIDIA, paste your API key, pick Neotron Ultra, and you're live. Same free models, same power. Now running 24/7 in the cloud. Quick note, these free models might be slightly slower or throttled compared to paid tiers, but for most agent workflows, totally usable. And hey, and if you saved even 20 euros this month using this setup, do me a solid, like this video, share it with your dev circle, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. What's the first agent you're building with free models? I'm Maurice, certified AI manager, cybersecurity operator, and founder of Naga Codex. I build AI tools, films, and systems out of Hamburg. Stay untouchable.